Here is a general overview of what our website development can provide you with. Here is the front end of the website, and as you can see, there are clear categories present for customers to make a variety of choices, one of which is online ordering. As you can see, hovering over an item can give users quick details about certain products. Over here on the left-hand side, we can also see groups that classify and differentiate the products that you would like to sell, simplifying the browsing process. Placing an order is incredibly easy for the customer, and after selecting the desired products, they're easily able to navigate the checkout menu. Once an order has been placed, we can easily track our sales on this page. This allows managers to see order, customer, and even delivery details. Looking at the sample order, we can see that it gives the full details of the purchase. Now down at the bottom of this order, we can see the payment details and its history. Now let's navigate to the products section. We can add new products by following just a simple process up here by pressing the Create button, allowing us to quickly make changes. If managers need any help, they can always contact our live chat support, providing immediate assistance. We also make deliveries very simple through the usage of our website. By allowing drivers to have an admin login, they can see the details of the order locations. As our website is also suited for mobile use, it is convenient for drivers. The image you see is an order from a mobile perspective. As a driver, they can clearly see the location where they have to drop off the products. Once they have finished dropping off, they can simply press two buttons. Up here, they press Delivery. Then, once they validate, it indicates that the delivery has been finished. Now let's look at the consumer perspective. We can check order histories by clicking on My Accounts. Once we're here, we can select the specific sales order. Now over here, we can see the status of our delivery. Because we just updated from the driver's side, we can see that our product has been delivered. This allows for easy, no-contact deliveries to be made. Hopefully, this video has been informative on what we can provide. Customizing and renovating the website to suit your needs are made easily accessible with the help of our product and staff. Thank you.